Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to the window of Google Meet. Then we click on force stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.